Hello, Birdville ISD. This is Randy Rodgers, and this is the TidbITS Web 2.0 Minute. I'm going to go over a couple of new tools, some things that maybe you haven't seen before that are pretty exciting and have some pretty good implications for the classroom today. We're going to start with YouTube, and a lot of you are YouTube users already and have your own YouTube channels, but what you may not know is they've updated their video editing tools. YouTube's very own video editing tool. I'm going to pull it up here. I'm going to go to this video and edit it so you can see what it looks like. Has added some pretty cool stuff. Number one, rotate. They've added rotation tools. If you've ever recorded a video and encountered the problem where you recorded it on your cell phone particularly, where it was turned sideways, you couldn't figure out how to change it. Not all software tools will let you do that, so that's a very handy tool just to rotate it. Seems basic, but you'll find it very valuable. Another thing that I think you're going to like is the effects options that are here. You can now add some pretty cool special effects to your entire video, such as adding, an old-fashioned black and white look. You can add, kind of crazy colors, neon pink, pixelate it. You can do a heat map. You can do satellite shots anyway, so you can see, like if I add combustion to this video down here at the bottom, you can see what it looks like. It gives you a preview of it here, and if you want it, you just click save. Alright, another area you can explore. There's more tools in the YouTube video editor, but those are a couple of the most exciting. Another thing that you might check out if you're a YouTube user is go to youtube.com/create, and what you'll find at youtube.com/create are several other video tools. These are partnerships that YouTube has made with other video editing tools like GoAnimate. Some of you may be familiar with the animation tool GoAnimate, or Extra Normal. VLX is a really neat tool. It just is a simple way to add text and some cool special effects to your videos. WeVideo is an interesting one because it's going to allow, WeVideo is a tool that actually allows collaborative video editing so that more than one person can contribute video clips to the same video, which is pretty amazing. And then of course there's the basic YouTube video editor. But anyway, check out YouTube Create. I think you'll enjoy some of the things there. On to Google now. Google has added some enhancements to their documents tools, and I'm going to show you by using this one here. This is their presentation tool in its new format, and a couple of things just to highlight. I can't go over them all in this amount of time, but if you go to slide now, there are several different themes that are new to Google Presentation, so be aware of that. Additionally, I'm going to do a new slide here. All right. Another thing that is new to Google's presentation tool that's very familiar to all of you because of PowerPoint is the transitions. There are now slide transitions you can do, and you can pick from several here. It's not a massive collection by any stretch, but it's a start, and you can control the speed of that transition. You can apply it to the slides, and if you want to see what it looks like, you get a little preview here. This is the cube transition. Okay. Again, nothing fancy, but it's an improvement over what it had. But one of the most exciting things that they've added is increased ability for collaboration and for working with others. And one of the things that you'll notice is when someone else is working on a document or a presentation, the changes occur in virtually real time now. There's almost no delay. Another thing that you'll notice is, and as you can see up here, I've shared this presentation with another viewer, another user. And if I want to see more about that information, I can click on that user, and it's now added a chat window. So I can say, well, what do you think about the title screen, or whatever. Real handy tool to chat with the other user and collaborate on the work that you're doing. So check out those improvements to Google Documents. I think particularly in the presentation tool you'll be impressed. And then finally, I want to make sure that you know about a couple of resources. I know a lot of you already know about these, but not everyone. One is Dropbox. Dropbox is a free online storage. They give you up to 2 gigabytes of storage, and they'll give you more free if you can talk some of your friends into signing up. So it's worth doing that. And what they do is they give you this really nice little handy tool that will go on your desktop. It allows you simply to drag files into it, and it automatically syncs it to the cloud. And when we say the cloud, we're just talking about online storage. that lets you then get to it from anywhere with an internet connected computer. Dropbox is a very good tool, and basically you can upload even very large files as long as they're not over 2 gigabytes in your free account. Another similar one that's a competitor of theirs is Box.net. Now, Box.net gives you 5 gigabytes of storage free. Their one difference is that the file sizes that you can upload are smaller. So if you're talking about videos, things like that, you might have difficulty uploading those. If it's music, if it's Word documents, things like that, you're not going to have any trouble. And so you might want to check it out. Limitations with Box.net. Another one is that they don't have the desktop application yet that you can just click and drag to. You actually have to browse to the site and then browse to your files and upload them. But here's one reason I would still pitch this. Right now, if you're a mobile device user, such as Android, iPhone, iPad, and you install the Box.net app, log into your account on the Box.net app, they're still running a deal where you can get 50 free gigabytes of storage. So even though there are limits on the file sizes, that individual file sizes you can upload, it's still worth it for free 50 gigabytes of online storage. Anyway, those are some resources to check out, and I hope some of them are beneficial to you. If you have any questions about them, contact your ITS. I'm Randy Rodgers, and thanks for watching the TidbITS Web 2.0 News.